Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Let's start the video. We will check by playing the video for which we have to animate. Check before and after. Press hold the Ctrl plus Alt left mouse click zoom in. Press hold the drag and drop set the roller. We'll center the animation video with the roller. Go to change the blending mode screen. Play the video and check that our video is set properly. Again check the blend mode normal and opacity 73%. Then click to add mask. Go to select the brush tool. Select the soft round brush. Then change the foreground color. Press hold the Ctrl plus Alt key zoom in. Then after remove required area. With using brush like a paint. Again I show you before and after opacity 100%. Again change the blend mode screen. Create a duplicate layer Ctrl plus J. With the layer name. Start. And left. Video slider move right side drag and drop. We will match the start layer with end layer. After zoom in layer. Create loop animation and then click to start. Just like I'm setting the loop animation. You also have to follow similar step. We will add point by clicking on opacity and moving the slider with opacity 0%. We will add point by clicking on opacity and moving the slider with opacity 0%. Again point by click on opacity and moving the slider with opacity 100%. Click to gear icon with uncheck the loop playback. Again by playing you can check the loop the video is on or not. Right click to fit on screen. Go to File Export, select the render video. Set location file. With set resolution then render your file. Hope you like this video very much. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comments. Don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.